All right, go ahead, show me.
All right, let's map it out.
No. Hi, I'm Josh Isbell. For the past decade, I've been flipping houses.
Wow.
Oh, wow. It really does look good. Buckle up as you get to witness some of our greatest successes. This is perfect. Unfortunate mishaps.
Holy jeez, dude. We're gonna have to redo this entire house.
And a few terrible jokes.
You know why I don't like trees? They're a little shady. I'm sorry, I've been out here for a while.
To produce some of the most breathtaking flips in the Central Texas area. This is my team, and we are Flipping Texas.
We got a call about a house and we think it might be a good deal, so we came to take a look at it.
Yeah, I mean, they only want 40 grand for it, but there's a bunch of investors looking, so we gotta jump on this one real quick.
We had to move really fast, if it's a winner, so let's go take a look.
It's windy today. Honestly, it doesn't look bad. 40 grand? I don't think it's that bad.
Well, let's just take a look on the inside.
All right, after you.
Oh gosh. What's that smell?
We've got old original floors. The walls don't have holes in them. It's $40,000. It's really not bad. Dude, it is hot in here. I'm already sweating. Popcorn, ceilings, we removed those. Clean the tile.
Clean it?
Clean the tile.
So we can play checkers?
Or chess.
Oh my goodness.
It looks like the kitchen was here. Yep, fridge was right here. You can tell by the plug. This is an easy remodel. Refinish the floors, clean these, put in a white kitchen. You're talking about 5 grand here. Easy fix.
5 grand? Okay, show me what
Easy
else.
fix.
Show me what else
All right, let's look at the rest
you're
of it.
seeing here.
Like bedroom 1, obviously right here. They've already refinished the floors. Bedroom 2, they've already started. Who cares about the hole in the wall that you can see outside?
Well, at least the AC unit isn't
AC
terrible.
that saves us, 7, 8 grand. This is their wait. They told me that there was 2 bathrooms. There's no shower.
So,
big ass walk-in closet.
which doesn't do us any good in a master if there's not a shower.
You're being Debbie
I
Downer.
don't know.
Come on, it's $40,000. Let's check out the outside.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Ooh, it feels so much better out here.
It's like a sauna in there right now.
Ooh, Josh, this is so much siding work.
Yeah, it's a lot of wood. It's $10,000 worth of siding all the way around the house, except for the front's brick. It's not that big of a deal. The roof, like I said, is only a couple years old. He only wants 40 grand for it. So what? Out exterior, we put 15 grand into it.
Well, I think the comps are really gonna make a difference.
House on the corner, 115.
Well,
so 15 here, let's say 25 inside. We've got ourselves an easy winner. Just in and out in a couple weeks.
so are you saying yes to this house?
I think we do it.
All right, well, you're the boss, man.
All right, let's do it. But the siding doesn't look like shit. Let me call him.
Let's go.
Hello.
Hey, what's up, man? So I just finished walking the house. The kitchen's missing, and you did say that there was 2 bathrooms or full bathrooms, but the master only has a toilet and a sink. So you're asking $40,000 for it, right?
Right.
So if I give you $40,000 cash right now, we can put this thing under contract.
Okay. 40 sounds good to me.
All right, man. I'll have that over to you here in a few, and you got your house sold.
All right. Thank you.
Yep. Later. Sweet. So it's hot as hell outside. Summer's definitely here, but we did close on this house for $40,000. I've budgeted inside and out at around $20,000. That's a simple remodel, and Sierra actually has a couple ideas, so I'm meeting her here today so we can go over those and see what she's come up with. Oh, God damn it. That's not just a window replacement, is it?
It's a sliding glass door.
Okay, but we have a problem. You see this? This is plumbing. If you move the kitchen from anywhere, we have to move all the plumbing. That's $10,000.
Easy, we move it to that wall.
Okay, but it's still $10,000.
So I've done the research. It can make a lot more money on the value of the house. Are you interested?
I mean, all right, go ahead, show me.
All right, let's map it out.
No.
It's okay, just
No,
trust
we were gonna
me.
save-
We're not
Go
saving
ahead,
the tile.
Go ahead. Oh, Jesus.
This is gonna be our new kitchen. Now that we know where the
Yeah.
kitchen is going,
I see it, yeah, it's gonna look great, but that's not 30,000. There's no way that adds 30 grand.
it's only a part of the puzzle.
And you ruined my tile.
It's ugly anyways. Next, we have to take that master bath and turn it into a true master bath and put a shower in there.
You're talking about changing the complete, I mean, I'm gonna have to change the window there, replace that, add siding. All right, I'll figure that out. What we have to get fixed is the damn AC. It's hotter than shit in here.
I will get my way. Taking this kitchen from the back wall to the front of the house is gonna do two things. One, it's gonna allow for us to design a kitchen that really fits the house, while also allowing us to put in a back door, bring in a lot of natural light, and make the house really functional.
That works. I can see it. How much light that lets in. Score. Shower head here. Put a window up here for more light. It's beautiful. Ugh, that sucked. After finishing the demo in the bathroom, I decided to get a head start on the kitchen, and I got a little bit of a surprise for Sierra. What's up, partner?
Hello, how's it going in here?
It's hotter than shit in here. That's what's up. AC's broke, dude.
What?
Yeah, homie that sold it to us, Jerry rigged it so it would run long enough just to close.
Well, what?
I know you're talking. It could be $5,000. I was flustered too. But I found a way to fix it.
Okay.
I went this morning to the wholesale cabinet place, picked up all the cabinets.
Okay.
Saved $5,000.
Okay, that sounds good. What's the catch?
They're unfinished, so you're gonna have to paint and we're gonna have to get hardware and everything like that. They're actually not bad though. You want the sink right here, right?
Yes.
Okay, so stove behind it, so it's gonna be probably out to about here. That open there, I'm gonna push it all the way back and open this whole room up. I decided to gift you a little something extra.
Yeah, what is that?
A new pantry.
Yay.
So now, the bathroom. I gotta show you the master, no tub, but I'm gonna show you why.
Okay.
All right, come on, let's check it out.
I trust you.
Okay, so this space right here, big closet, don't need it. We're gonna take half of it.
Okay.
And no bathtub, but we're gonna do a big walk-in shower. And then I need a light tile for the flooring to go in both bathrooms and the kitchen.
Yeah, it'll help keep it really bright. I can definitely find something to work with.
Okay, all right.
Easy enough.
All right, today's design day, so I'm meeting Sierra here, and I've actually brought her some food because she's a lot nicer when she eats. But I have to have her knock this one out of the park because we are just getting murdered on the budget right now.
Hello. Yo. Josh. Hey.
Somebody here?
Hey.
Hey, what's up?
What are you doing?
I thought that was you. I'm getting the rest of this fixed. I've got to board this up because windows are a couple weeks out. So
Okay.
well, first off, how does that look?
I love it. It
Okay.
has brightened this up so much. It's so nice.
Well, it's gonna get even brighter with this, but 12 weeks if you wanna match that. If not, then I can put just a piece of glass in there.
Oh, like a picture window?
Yeah, like a picture window.
Let's do that.
Okay, so picture window is 2 weeks.
Okay.
So I had to make the decision on that one. Otherwise, we have to wait, 12 to match that.
Perfect. Sweet.
So, what do you got?
I got
Looks
some
like
samples for
colors.
you.
That's not
Yes.
gonna be the wall colors, is it?
No. Green is a really great neutral color to go to with cabinets.
Yeah.
I'm thinking the darker color.
I mean, yeah, I'm fine with that.
I think it'll look really good.
What are you gonna do with the countertops?
I'm gonna have to save that one. It's a surprise. So for everything else, when it comes to the tile, I'm thinking let's just do a straight uniform look with all different sizes of white subway.
Okay.
So this one in particular would be for the tiling of the shower and the bath. So this would be the backsplash for the kitchen.
Okay, I'm cool with that.
Awesome. And then essentially we do the same thing for the floor as this,
So-
just 24 inch.
Bathroom, kitchen,
And then floor
and then
24.
24 inch. All right, what else you got?
I gotta go meet Rhea for another house.
Okay,
So
well, I'll see you later. I've
Okay.
got to finish up a couple things, secure the window, and then I'm out of here too.
All right.
We've got electrical done, we got plumbing. This house is almost done. Everything looks good. They sanded the dang floors. Hold on. Got a problem. That's dark. That's dark. That's a lot darker than I thought it was gonna be. This color compared to that color, I mean, you can see it in the hall and in here they had that darker stain. Oh no, if I stain it anymore, or if I sand it anymore, that's gonna strip all the way down. I gotta call Sierra. We got the problem. Look, I look fat right here. Supermodel. Fat. Sorry. What are you doing? I'm at 23rd. We got a problem, bro. Look how dark that is. Can you see it?
Yeah, it looks a little splotchy too.
Your stain color is gonna work, homie.
Okay.
So what do you want me to do?
Let me clear up my schedule, get a chance to run by there, and bring some other things so I can figure out what we want to go with.
Well, let me know. We're staining this tomorrow, so I gotta have a color. All right, bye.
Okay.
Bye. Bye. Grab this side. I want to move this over. Just pivot it around. All right. All right, sink goes here.
So this isn't long enough then?
So I build another little wall right there?
Just a
We're gonna
tiny,
add a frame right here.
tiny extension.
So this needs to go, we either put it even with this, no, we're gonna have to put it out a ½ inch. This needs to be cut to go inside here. We're gonna screw it to the floor.
We're almost done. It's exciting. They're annoyed with me.
I just finished up staging at 23rd Street, and I'm really excited to get together with Josh and see what his thoughts are. I think it turned out really nice. I mean, it still feels classic, but it's really refreshing.
Honestly, you look at the neighborhood and it really just changes the entire thing.
It does. I completely agree.
So let's look at the final product after staging.
Let's
You ready?
go see. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. This is a nice change.
I hate it.
You lied.
I hate it.
You lied.
No, it looks good. It looks good.
We're working with something less than 1,200 square feet.
Yeah.
You've got a full couch in here, plenty of room for, I mean, TV, everything, family.
It's
So,
cozy.
It is
It's
cozy.
cozy.
It feels good. The original floors look great, but I think the biggest thing is the functionality of the whole house. Check out the kitchen. What do? We moved the kitchen. We got to redo all the electric.
Yep.
We got to redo all the plumbing. We have $53,000 into this house. I gotta admit, moving the kitchen from the other wall, putting in the big door, and I think your centerpiece is gonna be your window.
Yeah, the window, the light that comes through. I mean, not only do you have the nice windows
Yeah.
already in there, but this and that brought in so much extra light.
Yeah.
What's nice is you can be a family, you can come in here, you can multitask, you can have kids, you know, at the island. You've got a big sink to do lots of cooking and cleaning in.
Overall, I wanna show you what we did with the bathroom. We did put the shower in there, so let's check that out.
Yeah, let's see it.
And the bedrooms, You know, all the wood flooring and everything ended up turning out pretty well. Like it. A lot more spacious than you think for the size house it is.
I was just gonna say it's perfect for kids, but I mean, even office space, it's
True, very
go
true.
either way,
We've
so.
got it set up with beds, but definitely nice call on saving this, the old school hamper. And then new tub, we had to put that in. A new surrounding, new everything in here. All your vanities, everything. I don't see how anybody could hate it.
I think all the white looks
Yeah.
really good. Again, it goes it's classic. Everything about this house is classic. If
Yeah.
you don't like it, then
I mean, you can't hate on that.
no.
Master bedroom. I was worried about this one the most because we added the shower.
But now it's an actual true master.
Yes. There's still a decent amount of closet.
Yeah.
Not walk-in, we took away. We still have a queen size bed, plenty of room, original floors.
I'll tell you what though, nothing beats a big shower, and that's what we got.
And the fact that we ended up putting the actual handle and everything over here, as deep as this is over here, plus the actual window in here, makes a huge difference. It doesn't feel dark in dungeon.
Yeah.
We don't even have any lights. We have one light in here, but the shower light off. Overall, I'm really happy with the way you designed it. So can't wait to get it on the market.
Absolutely. All right, well, let's get it ready to show.
Got an open house this weekend. Let's see what we can do. So we purchased the house for $40,000. After dropping all new plumbing, all new electric, and remodeling the whole house, we dropped $53,000 into this house, leaving us with a total investment of $93,000. And after a few days, we had a bidding war and went under contract for $170,000. After realtor fees and closing costs of about $15,000, we ended up with a total profit of over $62,000. This is Flippin, Texas, and we'll see you next time. I'm excited.
I'm so excited. I gotta sell this motherfucker. Cause I need some money.
I'll be like, so what's up? How was your day? There we go. I have issues. Okay, I think you just get the XL. Yeah.
Right, empty.
Nice call on the, oh, let's back it up a little bit. Didn't move. Okay, there we go.